Hi guys, this video for how can set up the Docker Swarm and deploy your web applications. Now go to EC2. There is no instances. We can launch the one instance. Launch instances. Docker Swarm. Choose the Amazon Linux image. Instance type. Your very big application. You can choose the T2 micro or any. I'm choosing the T3 micro. Keep here. Create a key pair. Key pair name is create a key pair. Key pair is downloaded. Totally, I am launch the 3 instances. This video for how can set up the Docker Swarm and how to deploy the application. Launch instances. 3 instances are launched. One is Docker Manager and another one is Node 1 and Node 2. Okay, and rename manager and rename node 1 and rename node 2. Now mark your manager machine, set up the main lane manager machine, mark your instance IP address, go to terminal, Now become a root user initially, sudo su. Now install the Docker. Shell scripting code for automation. Now this code for commands sudo yum update -y and install Docker and start Docker and enable Docker, and also exit assume Docker is EC2 user. Now commands directly in EC2 user, not in root user, and also work both EC2 user and root user also. Now save it. ls permissions, execution. Now go to console, mark your node 1 instance IP address, take in the new session, for node 1 machine install the Docker, become a root user initially, permissions, and also third machine, node 2 machine also. Given the permissions, color is changed. execution. Now I'm in manager machine. Check the Docker version and node 1 machine. Node 2 machine is installation and node 1 machine. Docker version is installed. Now clear. Node 2 machine is running. Now manager machine, create one directory. Inside the directory, I'm already write the Docker file. I'm already write the one Docker file also. This is my Docker file. From nginx latest and copy index.html for copying the index.html in the nginx folder and expose the 80. Command is nginx and -g. Daemon is off. Next, plus Docker file and also create the HTML file. I'm already write the one HTML file also. Save it. Now create the one image. Initially we can check the images. There is no images. Now custom image docker build -t dot enter. Images created. One more. Check the images. Docker images. Images is created. Now check the image is perfectly working or not. Now run the container. Docker run -itd -name. Port number, any number. I'm giving the one number. Image or image ID. I'm giving the image name. Now container is running state or not. Container is running. Go to manager machine. I'm create the one custom image and run the container. Go to security groups, edit in one rule, add a one rule, and choose the custom TCP and also port number. I'm already given the one port number. Anywhere IPv4, save rules, refresh it, instances, mark your manager instance IP address, now running perfectly. Okay, running perfectly. Container run perfectly. Now stop the container. Container ID or name. Delete the container. There is no containers. Check the image. Okay. Now log in your Docker Hub account if the image is pushed to Docker repository. That image is user for Docker Swarm. That application is distributed to node machines. Now Docker login. You can set up the one Docker Hub user account. I'm already set up one Docker Hub account. Add that image. Name of the image. Pushing repository of name hyphen latest. Now Docker push name of the image latest. Now push the image. Now if you delete the images in your local machine, but hub is saved. Now delete the both images. And delete the both images. There is no images. Now, this is one of the web image. Now swarm setup. Initially we can launch the two machines. Now connect the node machine. I mean another machine also. Docker swarm init. Advertise icon address. Manager machine IP address. Manager machine IP address. Now one token is generated with port number is 2377. Now go to security groups of manager machine, edit inbound rules, add one port number 2377. 2377 anywhere IPv4, save rules, refresh. Now this token is copy with paste the node machines. Now this node joined a swarm as a worker and also node to machine. Two machines are connected. Docker node ls. Docker node ls. This is leader machine means manager machine and worker machines. These are two worker machines. Now create a one service. Docker service ls. There is no services. Docker, service create, name of the service, hyphen name means port number. I'm given port number is I'm recently used the one port number for manager machine, security, editing bound rules, replicas, name of the image. I'm already pushed the one image. Services created, initialization 5 seconds. Now check the Docker nodes present or not. All are active state. Now Docker PS two containers are created. Now Docker PS two containers are created in node 1 machine, and also two containers are running state. Now these two machines are running in same image or not. Go to instances, node 1 machine, security group is, and my service security group 2823, and I'm giving the one role custom TCP anywhere PV4 save rules, edit inbound rules, save rules, node 1 machine. We can check the inbound rules. All are okay. Save rules. and also check the manager machine. All are done. Save. Now mark your manager machine IP address. Now running perfectly in manager machine. Clear. And one more node 1 machine. Node 1 machine. Okay. Node 1 machine running perfectly, and we can check the node 2 machine. Node 2 machine is perfectly running. This is Docker Swarm setup. Now we can change the any node updates. We can Docker node update. We can availability and drain. This command for drain the one machine. Another load is pick up the manager and another node machine. We can change the scale purpose to two containers are running. Docker service ls. Service name is okay. Replicas are 6. Now suddenly we can change the any problems like traffic is very high. Now replicas we can change the high. Now 6 to desired value. Now how can change the replicas? Docker service scale, name of the service, equals to I'm recently 6, now 8. Enter. 8 containers are running. Load is distributed via manager to node machines. Now Docker PS. 3 machines are running. Previously 2 machines are running. Now 3 machines are running. You can check the node 1 machine. 2 machines are running. No changes. For node 2 machine, 3 containers are running. Node 2 machine. Now if you suddenly traffic is down, now decrease the replica count. Replica count is 3. Only 3 containers are running in different machines. Docker PS. Only one container. only one container. Load is distributed equally. Now, if you Docker node ls, two machines running, worker 1 and worker also node 1 and node 2, manager machine, manager machine. Now availability, one node is downgraded, Docker node update -, availability, drain. Name of this 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 command for drain your one machine. Now, if you load is equally distributed, now if you updated the one services 9, three containers are created in manager machine for node 1 machine. Three containers are created and node 2 machine. Three containers are created. Now downgrade the one node machine. Docker node update -, availability, one machine, hostname, Docker node ls. Now one machine is drain. Now Docker ps. If you container count is increased 3 to 4. Now node 1 machine is drained. Node 2 machine, node 2 machine can run the 5 containers. Okay guys, this video for how can set up the Docker Swarm, how to configure and scale it, and how to deploy the web applications. This video for Docker Swarm setup. Docker service rm, remove the one service. Okay, services deleted. There is no containers, and also there is no containers. Now services deleted. Okay guys, and this video for set up the Docker Swarm distribution for the web application. Docker Swarm is mainly used for lightweight applications only. My application is lightweight. I'm using for Docker Swarm. Okay guys, this video for Docker Swarm setup and how to configuration and scaling up and scaling down. Thank you for watching. This is Pawan.